Hey guys, how's it going? I've been super sick for the past like 3-4 days, and I was so bad a couple days ago I couldn't even swallow. I just skipped dinner. Anyway, a couple days ago I went to a pharmacy, picked up some antibiotics, and that cleared it up. I hate doing that, but yeah, I couldn't get rid of it. Right now I'm just walking through kind of a trail through a rice paddy. Just something I saw on Google Maps, thought I'd check it out. Really cool. I will say that Bali is a lot more developed than I expected, especially compared to the Philippines. It's just nice. There are fancy restaurants, hotels, like boutique style stores and shops and that kind of thing. So yeah, it's nice for a change. There aren't any big resorts or hotel towers or anything like that. I think they have regulations against building heights. I'm sure they do. One thing that surprised me is how affordable Bali is. I was reading online how it's getting so expensive, but I really haven't found that to be the case. I'm staying in an Airbnb. I think it's like less than 20 bucks a night. And it's very nice. I'll show you guys a little video of it here. It's about a 10 or 15 minute walk from central Ubud. Restaurants are pretty affordable as well. I just had a really nice chicken sauté across from where I'm staying at a pretty nice restaurant for like 6 bucks. Groceries are cheap too. I got a big bag of fruits and veggies and chicken and rice and enough food for at least 3 days for 20 bucks. So yeah, you could get by here really cheap. I would say 30 to 50 bucks a day would be a good budget. If you want to do tours and stuff and diving and all that, you'll spend more, but yeah, if you just want to chill out and do some hiking and stuff, you can get by on a really low budget. I guess that's why Bali is so popular among digital nomads and expats. You could live here really cheaply if you were staying long term. I think you could rent a place for probably, I don't know, 500 or 600 bucks a month for something pretty decent. I'm just going to give you guys a little tour of the Airbnb I'm staying at here in Bali. Really beautiful. Great views, good light. Got AC, fan. Nice big spacious bathroom. Nice workspace. And it's got a good outdoor kitchen as well. Right now I'm on my way to the grocery store to pick up some ingredients for tonight. I'm gonna do a little bit of cooking. I've been cooking most of my own meals here. The place I'm staying has a really nice kitchen, and there's a really great supermarket just about 10 minutes away. The fruit here is phenomenal. Like some of the best fruit I've ever tasted. And some new ones too that I've never tried before. There's this thing called snake fruit, which I'd never even heard of. I don't know what it's actually called. That's what they call it here. Dragon fruit, mangoes of course, papaya. Really good fruit. I've been having some trouble with my credit cards here, and I don't think I'm the only one. A lot of the ATMs don't work for international cards. When I get one to work, it usually only allows me to withdraw $1 million, which is like $65 or something. So that's kind of a hassle. Also, I tried to buy a bus ticket online and I just couldn't get it to work, so I had to go into a convenience store to pay, which was not too big a deal, but just a little hassle that I didn't want to deal with. So it's manageable, but it's just something to expect. It's interesting how there are these narrow paths going all over the place. And they're used by motorcycles, bicycles, pedestrians. I really wasn't expecting this. I was reading something about how the building regulations don't allow anyone to build taller than a coconut tree. I don't know if that's true or not, but yeah, it seems to be. There aren't any huge towers here that I've seen, and it really helps to maintain the tropical paradise feel. I was interested to learn that the population of Bali is like 4 million, which was a lot higher than I expected. I mean, I think of it as like a tiny little tropical island, but it's not that small really. It's Denpasar is a big city, a big sprawling city. Then there are lots of smaller neighborhoods and cities outside. The southern part of the island is by far the most populated. This is such a beautiful walk through here. I've done this walk like 4 or 5 times since I've been here. It's just so pleasant during the evening. Right now is busy season here in Bali. It hasn't been too crowded though. I don't know if maybe travel's down or maybe just this part of the island isn't so bad. Super dry right now. It hasn't rained the whole time I've been here. I guess it's just the dry season. Still extremely green and lush though. So I'm taking a bus to Java in a few days, to Malang. Interested to see how different that is from Bali. There are some really beautiful houses throughout here. Just in the middle of this field, huge house. This is probably going to be a pretty boring video, you guys. I know I haven't really done much in Bali. I'll try to edit out the boring parts. Also, I recognize that I'm still really awkward in front of the camera. I'm working on it. It's such a struggle though. Like, I just can't get over talking in front of people. I feel just so, I don't know, it's just embarrassing. But we'll see how it goes. I'm going to keep on making these videos, so hopefully someone will continue watching them.